rinse it clean. Goodbye bubbles, where have you been? Towel hug so warm and tight. Now I'm cozy, what a delight. Fresh and neat, ready to go. Smelling sweet from head to toe. Bath time fun is done today. Can't wait for another play. Bubble, bubble, pop and play. Wash the dirt and germs away. Shiny, clean from head to toes. Fresh and happy, that's how it goes. Bubble, bubble, laugh and cheer. Cleanest kid of the year is here. Clap your hands and shout hooray. I love bath time every day.
Hey kids, don't forget to subscribe to Shine Kids.